In the quiet village of Nurabad, young Amina was known for her bright smile and inquisitive mind. As the blessed month of Ramazan approached, she was eager to experience its profound spiritual benefits. Early on the first morning, before the call of far prayer, Amina awoke with her family to partake in the suhoor meal, feeling the unique anticipation. Amina listened intently as her grandmother recounted the virtues of Ramazan. During this holy month, her grandmother explained, Allah opens the gates of mercy, closes the gates of Jahannam, and chains the shayateen. As the day unfolded, Amina observed the discipline and commitment her family showed in abstaining from food and drink, not as a hardship, but as a form of devotion and self-control. She joined them in offering prayers at the mosque and engaged in reading Quranic verses that spoke of patience, gratitude, and community. The sunsets were her favorite part of Ramazan, as the call to Maghrib prayer announced the end of the fast. The aroma of dates and refreshing drinks filled the air, marking a celebration of togetherness and gratitude. Amina realized that the month was not merely about abstaining from physical nourishment, but rather about nurturing her soul. Throughout Ramazan, Amina witnessed acts of charity and kindness within her community. Her little hands helped distribute meals to the needy as she learned the Prophet's teachings. On Laylat al-Qadr, the night of decree, Amina stayed awake under the star-filled sky, praying earnestly for forgiveness and betterment, feeling the peace and stillness that enveloped her heart. As the month concluded with the joyous celebration of Eid al-Fitr, Amina understood the true essence of Ramazan: faith, gratitude, community, and self-improvement. She looked forward to cherishing these lessons throughout the year, knowing they would guide her path. Ramazan teaches us to value spirituality over materialism, to embrace compassion, and to renew our devotion to Allah's guidance.